What if I told you companies are spying on your clicks? Every app you use is watching you. Ever wondered how Netflix knows your taste better than you do? It's not magic, it's data analysis, and it is shaping the world around you. What is data analysis? Data analysis is like being a detective. But instead of clues, you use numbers. You collect data, clean it, and spot trends to answer big questions. It's how Spotify creates your playlist, how Google Map predicts traffic, how businesses make $1 million decisions. But why it matters? From saving lives in hospital to helping YouTubers go viral. Data analysis is everywhere. The world runs around data, and those who can read it, they lead it. Can you become a data analyst? Absolutely, yes. You don't need to be a genius. If you love solving problems and seeing patterns, you are already halfway there. Start with tools like Excel, Python, SQL, or Power BI. Practice real world projects, and boom, you are in. Are there any jobs? Yes. Companies are desperate for smart analysts. Tech, finance, health, sports, data jobs are popping everywhere. And the best part, it pays well. Think about 16 to 15 LPA in India and 60,000 plus dollars globally. Start small, build your skill, solve real problems, and build a portfolio. Want to learn how to become one? Check out our beginner friendly roadmap in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.